I'm Farai with Farai Machina Events and Adorned Occasions. So I'm doing this video for you guys. It's one of a series of videos that are gonna come in as part of our membership program. We're gonna be putting videos together for do-it-yourself clients, other businesses that are interested, and these videos are designed to sort of help you along if you're trying to design something for yourself at home or for an event. But today this specific design has been inspired by our healthcare heroes and also the floral industry. As you guys know, a lot of businesses are suffering right now because of COVID-19, and as a result we have flower farms that are just, you know, trenched with products that really can't go anywhere. And also on the other side of it, we have our healthcare workers that are working overtime under extremely stressful conditions just to keep this under control, and we truly appreciate them for that. So what I'm gonna make is a very simple floral arrangement, and I'm hoping that it inspires you guys to think of perhaps gifting something like this to your healthcare hero, or maybe at your local hospital if they do allow it, to make very simple arrangements that you can drop off all at once. You don't have to keep going back and forth. And if you're obviously not under lockdown or not under curfew, it may be a good idea, but not all environments are gonna permit something like this. So just make sure you check in first with the hospital or whatever location you're thinking of delivering something like this. So what I did is I made this really easy. I got my flowers from the local grocery store. I got my flowers from Publix. So that I'm actually going to send you guys a list of what I purchased, how much it cost, and the materials that you're gonna need to put something like this together. Now, mine may be a little bigger than maybe what you wanna do, and that's okay. They can be smaller. You can do as many as you can afford if you have the means. But I will have all this information uploaded on my Instagram page, which is Farai Mac Events, and also our Facebook page at Adorned Occasions Event Design and Rentals. We'll also have this video uploaded on our website within the day or so you guys can get going with that. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get started. I have my vase here. I prepped it with some floral tape at the very top to help my flowers kind of stay structured and not flop over. What I have here are basic white hydrangeas. I got some blue hydrangeas because this is the 2020 color of the year, classic blue, and of course I got some tulips. So while I'm working on this, I may not be chatting, I may be chatting, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and then I will connect with you guys when it's done. Alright, so this is the finished piece. I think it looks pretty good, and I hope that you guys will find this useful if you do attempt to make one. And if you do, please stay in touch, connect with me, let me know how it went, and your feedback is always welcome. We'll be creating a lot more of these types of videos, not just for flowers really, but covering a wide range of topics on events, event planning, event design planning, and sometimes even go beyond events. Those will be obviously on our website for the most part, and some you'll find on our social media platforms. But I hope you guys do have some fun. Some of you guys are at home, maybe occasionally go out to pick up some groceries, and if you can, just pick up a few flowers and try to do something like this. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same flowers that I use today. Just have fun with it, pick what's available, supporting our floral industry as well as encouraging our healthcare heroes. Thank you guys for connecting with me today. I hope that you're safe and surrounded by love.